Hey, what's going on everyone? RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'll be unboxing a product that I normally don't unbox on my channel, but I picked this up here and I wanted to just try this thing out here and unbox it for y'all. Now this is the first product unboxed using the Honor 7X, so let me know also how the quality is video as well. So let's go ahead and get in with this here. This is made, of course, by Anker. This is a PowerPort 6 Lite USB charger, and of course it has IQ power for intelligent high-speed charging for any device. You can charge 6 devices, and it has high-speed charging there as well. Open up the flap here. You'll see there is the device right there, and you can see it over here how it looks and everything like that. Let's turn it to the back here. You'll see up here it says the choice of 20 million happy users, 18-month warranty, compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod, Android, and other USB devices. And of course, this is like Lightning and micro USB cables are sold separately. Let's go ahead here and open this box up. We will go ahead and pull this out here and just see what we have in the box. So sliding this off here, I'll go ahead and pull this piece of plastic here off if it'll cooperate with me. Just like that. It's not being very cooperative. There we go. So of course you got your base here, and you have your 6 USB ports right there, and these 3 here says IQ, so that may be the fast charger. Have to probably read the instructions here to really find out everything. And of course you do get your charger there, plug in, and of course just your standard wall plug in there, and it says charger installation adhesive grip. So not a whole lot going on here as far as unboxing, but I'm really interested to see how this little Anker here will do, since I'm always charging up iPhones with lightning cables, USB Type-C, and micro USB. Kind of annoying having to change out chargers all the time. But you know, this right here, I don't even see a manual that came with this device here. So is it in the box? Yes, it's in the box. It's in there, way in there, and it appears to be stuck. So it says welcome guide right here for PowerPort 6 Lite. So let's go ahead and open this up a little bit here, and we will see what we have going on. So it says right here, input, you see all that right there, and of course output you can see right there, and it says use original or certified cables, don't expose to liquids, don't disassemble, avoid dropping, avoid extreme temperatures, and customer service stuff there as well. And on this side here it says using your PowerPort. So pretty much self-explanatory there. I'm really kind of just wondering which one is, you know, fast charge and stuff like that. But I guess I'll figure that out here whenever I get to using the device. But very nice. It does come with this tape right here to be able to tape it somewhere, you know, if you want to, and keep it in one spot and everything. But it is nice to see, you know, that it does have this intelligent charging right here for these 3, and these 2 down here. So I'm guessing these 3 up top here are for fast charge, and the bottom are standard charging. So I know this is a very short unboxing and not much information going on here. These right here can be picked up at Walmart. I picked mine up there for, I think it was around 20 bucks. So of course I will use it and everything else and let y'all know in a separate video how this is working out. So if this was helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions or comments that you may have, leave it below, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see y'all in the next video.